welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be cast stuffing my colorful monthly saving challenges. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I am so happy, so grateful that you guys are here, and the ones who's been rocking and rolling me this whole time. I'm so grateful for your continued support, and also the ones who have not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties. Those of you guys that are new watching my channel, I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cash stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I also do budgeting. My goals is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties. How are you guys all doing? Hope you guys all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, this past weekend, I didn't do much, you guys. I went to the Dollar Tree, and I just went to a couple of stores, but I didn't buy much. But I did get some from the Dollar Tree, y'all. And I'm going to show you, guys, what I got in a few minutes. And so, sweeties, let me see. On Sunday, I attend church service, and I just chill, relax. Tried to look at you guys' videos as much as I can. And I was on TikTok, Instagram, you know, the usual. And that was about it. But I'm going to show you guys, it's something kind of small what I purchased from the Dollar Tree. But, honey, I'm super excited about it. So, sweeties, I'm going to get to it. All right, sweeties. So, those of you guys that are new watching my channel, I absolutely love play food. I don't care if the play food, honey, anything with play food names on it, honey, anything. I absolutely love it. And so I love stationery with like food brands on it. I love pens, as you can see, notebooks, paper, anything, y'all. I absolutely love. I love everything anyway, y'all. But anyway, sweeties, let's go over these beautiful pens. And let's go over this one first. So we have this beautiful Jolly Rancher. This is a beautiful pen. I absolutely love how it looks. And so this is a 10-color pen, and it has all these different colors on here. So as you can see, it has purple, yellow, black, green. It looks like brown is on there, orange, you guys, and so forth and so on. When I saw this, honey, I had to get it. So I'm going to be moving this on the side. Next, honey, we have the Kisses, and it's the same thing. I absolutely love how beautiful this color looks. And so, once again, this is like the color of like Hershey Kisses. And so it has 10 pens, different colors. I absolutely love this one. And so I'm going to move this on the side. And last but not least, sweeties, we have the Hershey's. Isn't this beautiful? Look at it up close. Look at the graphics on here. Absolutely love this. And so, once again, this is 10 colored pens, and it has all the different colors, black, blue, orange, yellow, purples, you know, that kind of thing. I absolutely love this. And so, here they are all again. And so, they had some different ones, but I didn't get those. I saw, it was another one that I can't remember. Oh, you know what? They had the ones that was like Mickey and Minnie's, and I didn't get those. You know, I just gravitated to the food ones. So, sweeties, each one of these beautiful pens costs $1.25 each. And if you guys are interested, go over there. And I went over to the Dollar Tree. So, sweeties, I'm going to place all of these on the side. And so, sweeties, I want to tell you about the amount of money that I'm going to be cash stuffing. The amount of money I'm going to be cash stuffing today is going to be a total of $42. All right, sweeties, so I have the monies in this beautiful envelope. I'm going to place this envelope on the side. And I'm going to count to make sure it comes out to $42. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. And that is correct. All right, sweeties, I'm going to separate the denominations, and I'm going to place it over here in this Sweet Kiki cash tray. right, sweeties. So what I'm going to do next is I am going to bring out my colorful. This is my colorful monthly saving challenge. And I want to let you guys know that this beautiful saving challenge was created by Sway Budget. She is on Instagram, you guys. I absolutely love her saving challenges. And so her monthly saving challenges, it is unique. I absolutely love it. First of all, I love the colors. And so each of the month, it has the envelope with it, but you can actually get this as a bundle deal if I'm not mistaken, or you could just buy it separate. You can get the envelope separate, or you can bid the monthly challenges separate if I'm not mistaken, you guys. I'm going to place Sway's information in my description box below. You guys go check her out. I absolutely love these saving challenges, and to me, I absolutely love the colors on each one. Each month is just a different, beautiful color. I absolutely love it. And so, sweeties, the reason why I think it's unique is because, you know, for the month, you know, whatever the month is, then that's how much you stuff. So, for example, January is the first month. You cash stuff in $1. You got February. February is the second month. You're going to be cash stuff in $2. You got March. Here you go. March is the third month, and you cashed up at $3, you know, so forth and so on. Absolutely love this saving challenge. And so, sweeties, we are going to open up to February. I absolutely love this. I finished February already, and so let's open. I'm sorry, I finished January, and then so now we're going to February. All right, sweeties. So let's see. So February, let me see. I got. Let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, sweeties, I'm going to color in 12, total of 12 of these twos. And so, let me take my markers. I'm working with the big medium point today. And so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, since it's worth 12, 6 of them is worth $12 in twos. So, that's what I'm going to be starting off with. And so I think I'm going to be taking my pink marker, and we're going to be coloring this 2 in. And those of you guys that are new watching my channel, I absolutely love coloring. Coloring, I say that all the time, y'all. Coloring is such a relaxation for me, and I absolutely love it, and it gets my mind off of worrying, you know, like crazy stuff. I absolutely love this. And so the next color I think I'm gonna do is let's see, I'm gonna take my green marker, and I love just colors in general. It makes me happy, it makes me laugh, and it makes me smile. I don't know, it just makes me relax. But my favorite color is actually purple, and the next favorite color, y'all, is pink. But multicolors is just fun for me, y'all. All right, sweetie. So the next color I think I want to do is, I think I'm going to do this dark purple. And these beautiful saving challenges and envelopes, you guys, are beautiful quality. Sway Budget, she is actually on Instagram. She has some amazing products, you guys. She has, like, she sell labels. She sell envelopes. She sell a lot of stuff, you guys. I absolutely love her website. And so next, I think I'm going to go with, I think I'm going to do blue, you guys. So, yeah, I'm going to have Sway Budgets. I'm going to have her website in my description box below, you guys. Absolutely love these saving challenges. All right, sweeties. Next, I'm going to color with my orange one. All right, sweeties. And then next, I think I'm going to do, let me find my yellow one. Let's see. I think I'm going to use yellow. All right, sweetie. So, once again, it should be $12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All right, sweeties. I'm going to cash stuff $12. And this is my February envelope. And you guys, I have to, for the month of February, it turns out to $70 that I am supposed to be, you know, when I complete it, it's supposed to come out to that amount. All right, sweetie, so let me take $12. So I'm going to take a 10 and 2 ones. So that's 10, 11, 12. I'm going to place it over here. All right, sweetie, so next I'm going to do this row here. So that comes out to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's $10. And so I think I'm going to start off with pink. Uh-oh, sorry, y'all, for hitting the camera. All right, sweetie, so let's color in with the pink. All right, sweeties, and then next I'm going to take, let's see here. You know what? I think I'm going to take that orange one. And let me color this one in. All right, sweeties, next I think I'm going to take the green one here. All right, sweeties, next I'm going to take the dark purple. You guys, it is so nice outside. The weather is, it's pretty nice. I think right now it should be close to, I want to say 50 degrees. And I've been in the house all day, but I'm thinking about, you know, just going out, honey, and just taking a walk. Taking a walk to Target. All right, sweeties, I'm going to color it blue next. All right. And so, sweeties, let me see. So let me take 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me make sure that's correct. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, sweeties, I'm going to cash stuff that amount in my February envelope. And sweeties, I think I'm going to finish this off here. I got a $20 bill. And so let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Wait, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All right, sweeties, I'm going to finish this challenge off. I'm going to color the rest of these twos. And so we're going to start with yellow. You guys, I'm super excited. I'm completing another saving challenge. I am so proud of myself, y'all. I'm trying to keep up. You know, I want to just keep on cash stuffing as much as I can, y'all. And so I'm going to take, the blue. Sorry for shaking the camera, y'all. I can feel it. I can feel it shaking. All right, sweeties. Now I'm gonna take the pink. And next, I'm going to do. I'm gonna do orange, you guys. I'm going to try to do a better job coloring this off camera. All right, sweeties. Next, I'm going to use green. These are some beautiful saving challenges. I absolutely love these colors. Love them. All right, sweeties. So next, I'm going to use pink. All right, sweeties, I think I'm going to go with green. Next. All right, sweeties, I think I'm going to go with the dark purple. All right, sweeties. I think I'm gonna go with I think I'm gonna do blue. And then last, you guys, I'm going to color the last $2. I'm going to color that one yellow. All right, sweeties, once again, I am super excited that I complete this challenge. Yay! You guys, another one completed, you guys. So, sweeties, here go my $20. And so let me take out everything. And let me make sure that it comes out to the total of $70. So let me move this on the side. And so let me, get everything in order here. Ooh, I got a lot of ones. Okay. All right, sweeties. I didn't know I had that many ones, but let me make sure that it comes out to $70. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Uh-oh. Okay, sorry about that. Let me make sure. Okay. All right, sweeties. I didn't have everything in order like I thought. All right, let's start all over again. Okay. All right. Let's count again, y'all. Okay, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Yay, sweeties, that's correct. And I completed my saving challenge for the month of February. You guys, I am so excited. And I'm trying to, once again, honey, I'm trying to cash stuff and save, honey, as much as I can, y'all. So let me cash stuff this back inside this envelope. And so, once again, we're done. I love how colorful this looks. And so, all right, sweeties. So next, look at the beautiful color that we're going to be cash stuffing in March. So I got to start working on this March saving challenge. I got to start working on that one soon. So, sweeties, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. And I will see you in my next one.